Okay, guys, we are live. Time is 8:19 a.m. Eastern. Just doing this before my kids go to school. This is for the 9th day of Christmas. Here's the list. 65 guys on the list today. Or for the 9th day. Copy it over. In the clubhouse, we go 3 times. I just go by what Mike goes, Mr. Hodges. 8:20 a.m. Eastern, first random. 8:20 a.m., third random. Gone 2 times. Oops, it's being a pain. 2 times. 8:20 a.m. Eastern, third and final random, guys. Good luck. Ben Singler, you won the 9th day of Christmas. So, Ben, copy that. 3 times. 8:20 a.m. Eastern. Let me update my spreadsheet here. If the mouse would cooperate. Ben Singler, I have your address, so I will ship that out to you. 8:21 a.m. Eastern is the final timestamp. Thanks, guys.